Welcome back to the Soul Dashboard. My name is Johann. Today, we're covering how to properly record a new business asset, such as a piece of equipment or vehicle. Assets are essential for accurately tracking depreciation and calculating your business's true value. To begin, navigate to the Assets section on the left-hand menu. This screen shows a list of all existing assets, including office equipment, motor vehicles, and inventory. To add a new asset, click the New Asset button in the top right corner. You can close the quick tutorial guide to begin entering the details. First, you need to input the asset name. For this example, we'll enter laptop. Next, input the asset value, the total purchase price, which we'll set at $2,500. Then, select the date purchased from the calendar. We'll choose November 20th, 2025. You must then link the asset to a supplier. Search for an existing supplier, or add a new one if necessary. We will select Test. Next, choose the appropriate category. Scroll through the options and select Office Equipment for this laptop. Finally, indicate the payment status. Tick the box if the asset was paid with cash, and confirm whether you need to include GST in the recorded value. Once all required fields are complete, click Save. You will see a confirmation that the asset has been created successfully, and you will return to your assets list. The new asset, laptop, is now visible with its total value and purchase date. You can click the View Action button to bring up the Asset Information card, which summarizes all the details for easy review. This ensures your balance sheet accurately reflects the valuable equipment your business owns. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.